Now we'll practice Bharadwajasana. Fold the right leg. Place your right foot besides the left thigh and right hand at the back of the body. Overlap the left arm around the right leg and hold the right ankle. Inhale, exhale and turn to your right from the waist. Inhale, exhale, turn to your right from the shoulders. Inhale, exhale and turn your neck to the right. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the left foot erect. Turn more to the right side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come in the original position. Release your hands and legs. Now do it from the other side. Fold the left leg and rest the left foot besides the right thigh. Rest the left hand at the back of the body. Overlap the left thigh, pushing it behind with the right hand to hold the left ankle. Straighten your back and straighten the right foot. Inhale, exhale and turn to the left from the waist. Inhale, exhale. Now turn from the shoulders. Inhale, exhale and turn the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to turn more to the left side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come in the original position. Release the hands and the legs.